everyone, and welcome to my brand new speed clean with me. I am just wiping down everything in my guest bedroom. It is currently the absolute easiest space in my home to take care of because it is not getting used, but I don't want to neglect it.
Get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones and be wild, wild, wild.
If this is your very first time stopping by my channel, welcome. I'm so thankful you're here. My name is Crystal and I enjoy posting cleaning, organization, decorating, and lifestyle content. If that interests you, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Also, click the bell next to it and choose all, and that way you'll get notified every single time I upload. Also, to everyone who's returning, I cannot thank you enough for spending the time with me again.
Summer's end, and you feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're
I used my Indust to pretty much wipe down everything, but I did switch to the Jaws glass cleaner for the TV. I have an electronic cleaner as well, but they both work about the same.
the storm within your broken bones and be wild, 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 wild.
I had some artwork in my living room that I took down a while ago, and I was undecided on whether I was going to use it in here or in the office, but I decided that the teal in the painting looked really good with this bedding, so I'm going to put these two smaller pictures above the bed and hang the artwork here. And as you can see, one of the nails went into a stud and I could not get it out, so I just hammered it in and made life easy.
We wanna, yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone.
This art was previously hung with command strips, so it still had the backing on all four corners, and one of them still had the sticky side, so I just added 3 more so I could rehang it in here.
To every song, we don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
I don't know if this whole using my hip technique was the best, but I did want to show you that I got it level.
Going left, going right, doesn't matter tonight, just how we want it, we want it. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young.
couldn't nail these pictures above the bed because our gas line to our stove is actually on the opposite wall, and I did not want to risk possibly puncturing that. So I'm just adding more command strips to these, and I had a little issue though. So these pictures are ancient. I have had them so long I can't even tell you when I got them, but I love them, and they have just worked in so many different homes and spaces. But the backing was starting to come off, and when I put the command strips on there, it made it pull away, and I had to give you this little slow-mo because this is real life, people. Guys, leave me a comment and let me know how your Thanksgiving was. Ours was very low-key. It was just me, the hubby, and my sister. Normally there's a lot of us together, but of course this year is different. So I just want to know if you guys kind of kept with the same thing or if it was a lot different and if you still enjoyed yourself.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid.
So I ended up temporarily getting both pictures up, but in just a minute you will see that I took the one down that previously fell. I just didn't feel that it was very secure. So I'm gonna use some Gorilla Glue to make sure that backing is intact, and then I will rehang it, but at least you have an idea of what it's going to look like. If you're enjoying this quick cleaning motivation, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hopefully while you're also subscribing if you're not already. And you can also follow me on Instagram at crystal_renee_lifestyle.
To be afraid, I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. Stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't say my name. Stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt.
I didn't feel the need to do a true undecorate since I used such minimal fall decor, so I will just swap out a couple of things with my new Christmas items, and then this room will pretty much be good to go. This TV that you see sitting on the floor came out of our master bedroom. It works okay, but it had a couple of little issues, so we replaced it, and I'll probably just take this one to the local pawn shop, and then the room will be finished. I'm so excited to have that done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and spending the time with me, because I never take it for granted. Please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt.